Hey guys, it's Ruth Ann, and I'm going to teach you how to dance again. So in my last video, I taught you guys how to do some trendy dances. I taught you guys how to floss, how to shoot, and how to do the orange justice. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 more, which you will see in this video. Alright guys, so the first dance I'm going to be teaching you guys is called Millie Rock. This is mostly centered around your arms and the way you move your upper body. So you're going to take your arm, kind of keep it at that right angle, and you're going to do a little swivel. And you do the same thing with your other one. Now, where you swivel is totally up to you. You can swivel up here, you can swivel down here. It honestly, and you can do a double swivel, you can do a single. I can only do doubles apparently. And you swivel this around, and as you're swiveling, you kind of move your upper body to where you're swiveling towards. And then what makes this dance look the best is when you add just the teensiest bit of a hop. It's like a little up and down. So you swivel your arm, and when you're about to shoot it down to the ground and finish your arm swivel, you're gonna do a little hop. It's like a little emphasis on your swivel, and this helps you look just a little bit different from the crowd, and it just makes your Millie Rock just look the greatest. Wait, is that how you do the Millie Rock? Yeah. Don't be afraid to like step with your Millie Rock as well. I've seen a lot of people take steps with their Millie Rocks. It's honestly what you're feeling that day. The second dance I'm going to be teaching you guys is called the Folks, or Hit the Folks. I think the main challenge about this dance is that you have to hit it on the beat or hit it as hard as you can. If you're too soft or smooth with it, it doesn't look as good. So a lot of people tend to imaginary throw something in the air. That really helps you bring the image of this dance to life. So when you throw something, it could be anything, your mom, your dad, your loans, your debt, your cousin that you've never met. You're gonna catch it with your hands. And when you catch it, keep your arms out. When you keep your arms out, you're gonna bring your hands in. It's kind of like this change. I've seen people bring it even with their elbow. They like go all in. So when you throw something, you can look at it, look at somewhere else, and then when you catch it, you have to hit it. When you hit it, a lot of people like to bring their legs in it. It's almost like you're crunching a bag of Doritos, and you just like really fast, like those purple ones, like you eat them like in 2 seconds, you crush the bag and you throw it out. Same thing. So you throw it, you look at it, wait for it, and then you catch it. And when you catch it, it's also with both hands. So you bring both hands in. I've seen a lot of people do it simple. I've seen a lot of people go really hard with it. It's honestly what the mood is, what you're feeling, also what the song is. You really don't want to do it soft, and you don't want to roll your wrist. You're here and you're here. And you always want to try and hit the folks on a beat drop. That look right? Oh, the plug walk. Okay, so I have to move a little bit, so sorry. The third dance I'm going to be teaching you guys is called the plug walk. It's actually from a song, and it just became one of those viral dances. So your arms can either be here, or they can either be right here, or right here, or right here. Arms are kind of leeway, but originally it's with your hands up, almost like you're holding a bar above your head, and you keep your arms here the whole time. Now, for the legs, it's one of the more trickier ones to do. So as you step on one foot, you're gonna bring your knees in, and then out, and then in. And when you bring your knees in, out, and in, you kick the other leg that you're not stepping on out. So you go in, out, in, and then you do the same thing where you go out to land and then you go in, out, in. When you combine these things, it's kind of tricky with like moving. This is supposed to be traveling, but I'm in a small space, so I'll be doing it in one place. So you go in, out, in. Oops, I just did that wrong. So you go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And then you add your arms. I'm gonna do these. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. So the best thing to do to try and get this is to definitely practice with your arms. It's a lot harder to add arms after you've learned footwork. It tends to trip you up because you learned footwork like with your arms a certain way, so when you change it, messes you all up. So if you want to learn these arms, make sure you practice with these arms or with these arms or however you want. The main focus of this dance and getting it right are the legs. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, hit thumbs up, hit the bell for my next video that's coming up. I might do a part 3. Guess you're gonna have to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching.